Welcome back, Forrest Night out in St. Louis. This is September 5th. Yeah, September 5th update for my challenge. Had a very, very good day today. And again, the whole point of this is to show you how I'm copying trade idea signals that are given into our Trading Academy group to help our newbies learn how to trade, which is really cool. And you can apply these trade ideas to a demo account, so you can learn how to trade better, right? Or you can apply them to an actual live account, depending on what you're doing. I'm actually applying these to a challenge account through a prop firm to help me win the prop firm challenge. There's two phases in the challenge. There's a $10,000 phase and there's an $8,000 phase. And when you pass both of the phases, phase one and phase two, a total combined of $18,000 in profits that you have to win. There's no time limit on it. They're going to give me create a live account for me with $100,000 in it, which is very cool. I've done that once. So I've got one live account sitting out there and I'm doing it again to prove a point. So I'm going to have $200,000 accounts here. And I'm doing this methodically simply by taking the trade ideas, the signals that are given through our Trading Academy, applying them to the challenge account to grow the challenge account. Now, if you watched the video that I did, I believe it was yesterday or the day before, you can see I don't have all wins, but today was a really good win. So it's getting me closer to completing phase one. Also today, I'm going to go over and I'm going to show you how to adjust lot sizes in Trade Locker. So you can see how to adjust the lot size depending on how much money you have. Our Trading Academy will teach you all the basics to learn how to trade. Now, if you already have some experience in trading, you're thinking, man, I'd like to have 100,000, 150,000, 200,000, whatever, 10,000, and you want to enroll into the prop firm challenge. There's going to be a link below this video that you can go and enroll. And then if you want to get the trade ideas and trade signals, you can also enroll into our academy. It's very affordable. It's about $100 a month. I can go through the details with you, get you set up on that. It's $149 for the first month. Then it's $99 every 4 weeks after that. So we can get signed up. You can take those trade ideas, those trade signals, pass the prop firm challenge. Again, income disclaimer should be popping up around here somewhere. Do not trade with money that you don't want to lose, can't afford to lose. This is not gambling. This is not a get rich quick deal. I recommend if you are going to learn how to trade that you take your time and at least commit 18 to 36 months to get really, really good at it so you can actually trade on your own without having to take trade ideas. Now, I take the trade ideas and signals to balance them off a lot of times just to make sure that I sort of know what I'm doing. I went in and traded SPX this morning, made a nice little profit on my own, and then I came back and I took a trade signal for this prop firm challenge so I can show this to you guys. So let's jump over here real quick. Let me do a screen share. I know I said a lot, and I know I talk fast sometimes. So this is the trade idea, trade signal that was popped up today. Again, do not take this trade. It's over and done with. You can't take this trade idea. Don't take this trade. Don't pass go. Don't collect $200. This is for example purposes only. Again, do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. Income disclaimer. This is not a get rich quick deal. You actually have to learn how to trade. So you can see this is the trade signal that was dropped in here today. The entry that was suggested was 5502 with a target profit one of 5,500. Then TP2 was 5495, TP3 5490. TP4 5485. As you can see in this example, this is 5485. So it hit all four of the target profit areas, which is really nice. I usually just go to TP1. I pushed it a little bit, actually set a goal of TP2. You can see my entry down here was 5501. I was a little bit late on the entry, but I still got in time enough. Came down here, TP target price was 5494. I got out a little bit early at 5491 because I saw this $2,000 goal. I said, I'm good for that for today. So I closed it out, which is really nice. So you can see my daily earnings today was $2,020. I'm going to come back and talk about lot sizes here in a minute. I want to jump over. So this is $2,020. I'm going to come over here to my challenge thing for today and put in 2020 and hit enter. Comes down here, I'm at 26.9%. So now I'm under 45% for all of my challenges. So I'm good here. You can see my daily profit should not exceed 45% on one total day. I've got 18% on this day, 6% on this day, 30% on this day. So I'm doing good. I've got a remaining $2,500 to go to pass my challenge, which is absolutely awesome. And I can break that down. I might do that tomorrow, probably be sometime this next week, and I'll pass phase one of the challenge. So that'll be awesome. So this is how it's done. You can see this was a losing day here, pretty much had a losing day, which is fine overall, but you just keep going, right? You got to be able to accept the losses. I tell my team, if you're not okay with being a loser, you probably shouldn't trade. But that's that. So let's jump back over here and talk about lot sizes. So as you can see, when you're coming in doing a trade, and I'm going to use these numbers as an example here, right? This is for example purposes. Do not take these trades. It's just an example purposes. So if I get in at say 55.02, right? And I want to take my profit on a sell at 54.85, right? And we're just going to get, this is just example purposes. And I want to get out at 54.85, right? In this area, you can see at 2 lots down here, that's $3,400. Your lot size is going to determine your profit based on where you enter and where you get out. So in saying that, if I go to a 1 lot size, right, I'm now at 1,700. If I go to a 0.5 lot size, I'm at 850. If I go to a 0.25 lot size, I'm at 425. I can go down to a 0.05, right, which is 85 bucks. So depending on what your account balance is or what your total account balance is, you can adjust your lot size to make sure that your percentage-wise in your loss, that you're not going to lose money based on the lot size. Now, you'll always want to set up stop loss. You'll notice I didn't do this today. When I'm watching my trades, right, when I'm actually watching the trade sitting here in front of the trade, I have a mental stop loss set that I'm going to watch it to see if it runs to that. Then I'll just manually close the trade. So in a trade like this, basically it's a really, really quick moving trade. It actually entered, I got into trade right here at like 1021, 1022. You can see it was actually 1022. I got into trade right here, and the trade completed at 33. So we're talking 11 minutes for this entire move. So I can sit here for 11 minutes and watch this. And I actually got out at 4 minutes in, 5 minutes in, right? It wasn't very long. It was 22 to 25. So I was literally in the trade 3 minutes to do this earnings down here. So I can manually watch my stop loss. Now, if you are taking trade ideas and you're not experienced, it's recommended that you don't go in and not do a trade without a stop loss. That can ruin your day. So you need to have a daily goal of what you want to do as a loss percentage. You can do a dollar loss. You can do a percentage loss, however you want to set it up. And we teach you how to do this inside the academy so that you're not blowing your account. And again, in a challenge account like this, your maximum loss in one day is $5,000. The maximum total loss is $10,000. And you can see I had a loss on this day of negative 1335. So I'm cool, but I've made that up. I'm way above that in my challenge now, so I'm good to go. So I've got a weight excess of, I think my maximum daily loss right now, I haven't looked at it, but it's somewhere up around the $7,000, $8,000 area that I can lose to do that. So you can adjust your lot size based on this. Again, we have a training that specifically goes over how to adjust your lot size based on your account balance so that you're not risking too much. We teach risk management, which is very, very important when you're learning how to trade. So if you want to learn how to trade, you want to get in and learn how to do this, if you want to copy trades, if you want to start a funded challenge, feel free to shoot me a text. Again, the link to enroll into the academy should be right below this video. The link to enroll into the funded challenge is also right below this video. Do not enroll in the funded challenge if you have no experience. Just save it. Wait till you get some experience. Wait till you learn how to practice with a demo account through our trading academy. Once you get all that stuff done, then I'll work with you and we'll help you set up a funded account through the funded trader that we have, which is absolutely awesome, awesome, awesome. We'll show you how to go through and do these trades just like I do, to take these one at a time so you can put them in the system and you can pass the challenge. And then you can use their money to trade with instead of your own money. So again, if you have any questions, my number should pop up right here. Feel free to shoot me a question. Make sure you tell me what your name is, what your question is, and if we need to, we can either jump on a phone call, we'll jump on a Zoom, and we'll get you all taken care of. I love you. Jesus loves you. Absolutely nothing you can do about that. I'm on a mission to have no more empty refrigerators and help you make a lot of money trading. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.